Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van features. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is designed to redefine versatility, innovation, and performance. As one of the most advanced commercial vans ever produced, it combines modern technology with a sleek and functional design. Whether for business, transportation, or adventure, the 2025 Sprinter is built to deliver reliability, efficiency, and luxury. Its bold exterior commands attention with a redesigned front grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines that enhance fuel efficiency. The sturdy build ensures durability, while multiple body configurations cater to different needs, making it the perfect vehicle for various industries and personal use. Step inside the 2025 Sprinter, and you'll find a cabin that blends comfort with advanced technology. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed for long-haul comfort, featuring high-quality materials, ample legroom, and an intuitive layout. The cockpit is equipped with a high-resolution digital display, providing real-time data on navigation, fuel efficiency, and vehicle diagnostics. The latest Mercedes-Benz infotainment system offers seamless smartphone connectivity, voice commands, and an enhanced navigation system, ensuring every journey is smooth and efficient. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a premium sound system elevate the driving experience to a new level of convenience. Performance is at the heart of the 2025 Sprinter. With a choice of powerful yet efficient engines, including diesel and electric options, it delivers the right balance of power and sustainability. The electric model offers zero emissions and an impressive range, making it ideal for eco-conscious businesses and urban transport. The advanced transmission system ensures smooth acceleration, while the intelligent all-wheel drive system provides superior handling and stability on all terrains. Adaptive suspension technology enhances ride comfort, reducing road vibrations and making long-distance travel more enjoyable. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Sprinter, equipped with industry-leading driver assistance systems. Advanced sensors and cameras provide real-time monitoring of the surroundings, enhancing awareness and preventing collisions. Adaptive cruise control maintains a safe distance from other vehicles, while lane keeping assist ensures the van stays on course. Automatic emergency braking responds quickly to potential hazards, adding an extra layer of protection. The 360-degree camera system aids in parking and maneuvering, reducing blind spots and making tight spaces easier to navigate. One of the standout features of the 2025 Sprinter is its exceptional cargo and passenger capacity. Designed for maximum efficiency, it offers a spacious and customizable interior to accommodate various business and lifestyle needs. Cargo models provide a reinforced floor, secure tie-down points, and wide rear doors for easy loading and unloading. Passenger configurations offer luxurious seating options, ensuring comfort for long journeys. The high-roof model provides additional space, making it perfect for camper van conversions, mobile businesses, or executive transport. Technology plays a key role in the Sprinter's advanced capabilities. The intelligent voice assistant allows for hands-free operation of navigation, music, and communication. Over-the-air software updates keep the vehicle's system current, ensuring access to the latest features and performance improvements. Fleet managers benefit from advanced telematics, enabling real-time tracking, route optimization, and vehicle performance analysis. The integration of artificial intelligence enhances efficiency, making fleet operations more cost-effective and environmentally friendly. For those who prioritize sustainability, the electric variant of the 2025 Sprinter is a game-changer. With cutting-edge battery technology and fast charging capabilities, it offers an eco-friendly solution without compromising performance. Regenerative braking technology extends the driving range, converting kinetic energy into usable power. The quiet and smooth operation of the electric model makes it ideal for city driving, reducing noise pollution while maintaining exceptional efficiency. Businesses looking to transition to green mobility will find the electric Sprinter a perfect solution for their logistics and transportation needs. Customization is another highlight of the 2025 Sprinter, allowing buyers to tailor the van to their specific requirements. From specialized cargo storage solutions to premium interior upgrades, Mercedes-Benz offers a range of factory-installed accessories and aftermarket modifications. Exterior color options, upgraded wheel designs, and personalized branding make it easy for businesses to create a professional and distinctive look. Whether configured for commercial use, luxury travel, or adventure, the Sprinter can be transformed to suit any lifestyle. Durability and reliability are at the core of the Sprinter's design. Built with high-strength materials, corrosion-resistant coatings, and a reinforced chassis, it is engineered to withstand the demands of daily use. The van's robust construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a trusted choice for businesses and individuals alike. Routine maintenance is made simple with smart diagnostics and remote service monitoring, allowing for proactive vehicle care. Mercedes-Benz's comprehensive warranty and customer support services provide peace of mind, ensuring that every Sprinter owner receives the highest level of assistance. Passenger comfort is taken to new heights in the 2025 Sprinter, making it an excellent choice for shuttle services, executive transport, and luxury travel. The spacious seating arrangements, premium upholstery, and noise-reducing insulation create a first-class experience for passengers. Large windows allow for panoramic views, enhancing the journey's overall appeal. Rear passengers benefit from individual climate controls, entertainment screens, and USB charging ports, ensuring a comfortable and connected ride. The flexible seating configurations offer maximum occupancy while maintaining ample legroom and storage space. Mercedes-Benz's commitment to excellence extends beyond the vehicle itself, offering a world-class ownership experience. Personalized concierge services, remote vehicle monitoring, and expert support ensure that every Sprinter owner enjoys seamless vehicle management. The global Mercedes-Benz service network provides specialized diagnostics, genuine parts, and professional maintenance, keeping the Sprinter in peak condition for years to come. Roadside assistance and emergency response services further enhance security and reliability, reinforcing the brand's dedication to customer satisfaction. The 2025 Sprinter is more than just a van, it is a statement of quality, innovation, and versatility. Whether for business, adventure, or personal transport, it delivers an unmatched combination of power and luxury. Designed to meet the evolving demands of modern drivers, it sets new benchmarks in efficiency, connectivity, and safety. As a leader in its class, the Sprinter continues to define the future of commercial and passenger transportation. Experience the future of mobility with the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. From its powerful performance and cutting-edge technology to its premium comfort and practical versatility, this van is engineered to exceed expectations. Whether navigating busy city streets, transporting passengers in style, or embarking on long-distance road trips, the Sprinter provides a driving experience that is both effortless and enjoyable. Built for those who demand the best, it is more than just a vehicle, it is a trusted partner for every journey. With its legacy of excellence and commitment to innovation, the 2025 Sprinter reaffirms Mercedes-Benz's position as a leader in the automotive industry. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.